2025 home decor, merging modern luxury with nature, using natural materials and organic elements. Step into the future of home decor with the 2025 trends that beautifully blend modern luxury with the serenity of nature. This year, interior design is all about creating spaces that feel both elegant and grounded, using natural materials like wood, stone, and linen to bring warmth and authenticity. Imagine a room where handcrafted wooden coffee tables serve as artistic focal points, or where organic stone sculptures breathe life into your living space. Such elements don't merely adorn your home, they create a sanctuary of style and tranquility, bridging the gap between luxury and the natural world. These design choices elevate your space to new heights, fostering an intimate connection with the earth and making every room feel vibrant and inviting. The 2025 trends emphasize the harmony between sleek, contemporary designs and the raw beauty of organic elements. Picture soft, earthy tones, seamlessly paired with shimmering metallic accents, or lush indoor plants playing against minimalist furniture to create an environment that feels both modern and timeless. Lighting becomes a statement all its own, with woven rattan pendants or sculptural ceramic lamps adding artistic flair while maintaining a natural aesthetic. These thoughtful details contribute to a calming atmosphere, offering the perfect retreat for unwinding after a long day. By integrating these trends, your home transforms into a reflection of balance where modern sophistication effortlessly meets the enduring charm of nature. What truly sets these trends apart is their ability to evoke emotions and narrate a story. Each piece, be it a textured jute rug or a hand-blown glass vase, encapsulates a sense of craftsmanship and dedicated care. This approach to decor not only enriches your living space, but also nourishes your well-being, serving as a daily reminder to pause and savor the surrounding beauty. Let your home become a haven where luxury and nature coexist in perfect harmony, inspiring joy, peace, and a profound connection to the world outside your door. Within this harmonious blend of modern opulence and natural simplicity, your living spaces can offer both a refuge and a canvas for personal expression, transforming everyday life into a celebration of the exquisite balance between artifice and earth.